Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Drawing Hunger. I know you all are eagerly waiting for the next drawing, and here it is. Today I'm drawing Madhubani fish. The origins of Madhubani paintings are quite unknown. However, it is believed that King Janaka, ruler of Mithila kingdom in the 8th or 7th century, had asked to develop these paintings in order to capture the moments of his daughter Sita's wedding to Prince Rama. The fish in Madhubani paintings signifies prosperity and fertility and is considered to bring good luck in Feng Shui. I'm using brush pens to color the picture. Use beautiful colors and make it colorful. Dear friends, you also try this drawing and share with me on my Instagram handle. It is #RKDoodler. I am eagerly waiting for your drawings. Dear friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.